So today we're just going to work on our pattern for the new spring dress. So I've just sellotaped down the four corners of this one. And I've got my sheet of just ordinary grease-proof paper. I'm just going to stick it down with some tape on the four corners. So I've just sharpened myself a really sharp pencil. When you get your pattern and you've got this and you've got it for your child, unless your child is age 8, you're probably going to want to save it. So I'm coming in and I'm finding my 5-year-old, which is the green, and I'm going to place my ruler on that line there and just trace this out all the way around. Okay, so that's that one. So that would be my arm, and then I need to just write all the information on there for the arm. So what the pattern is, the size that it is, and all the information which goes with it. Make sure you get grain line in there where your grain line, so that you know that you've got to put the pattern going in that direction. So you've got, with your ribbon tie, you've got several different sections. Okay, so you work out which sections are, and yours will be more clearer than mine because I haven't got all the numbers and everything on yet. This is just my prototype I'm working with here. So you'd put all those and just put those pieces together like that, and then join all those together and join these two pieces together, and then just cut around the outside so that you've just got smaller pieces of paper. I'm just going to chop this bit off here down there, and I'm going to sort of come around and I'm just going to cut along there. Okay, so that's like that, because that then is going to be really easy to cut away, because I'm going to cut that away by folding it. So I'm going to fold it from this end up here. This is the piece which joins the, this will go to the front. This will be the front of your tie on the waist of your apron. And then what you will do is you will join this onto the end of here. Okay, so this one will go on this end and it will join onto that, like that. Okay, and then we won't put those two pieces together until after it's all been cut and sewn and ready to go. All right, and then we will join that up, because the apron will have a join on the side seam, and that's where that's going to be. So we'll cut this as a separate entity. All right, and then this one is the skirt of your apron. So just pop this one together the way it's going to go. I'm not going to tape it, I'm just going to pop it together the way that it needs to go. So it goes like that. So that is going to be the apron skirt piece. Stick all that together. Done. So that should be all of the pieces you need for your apron. Apart from, you will have, there is going to be instructions on the pattern so that you can cut your ruffles, and there is one ruffle all the way around the bottom of the skirt, and there is 2 ruffles, one which goes on top of the other at the back of the skirt, so you'll need to do them. And then there are 2 ruffles which come from the back up over the shoulders and down to the skirt of the apron as well. Okay, and you'll have 2 long straps like that to put the ruffles onto. So those will be cut. We're not having a pattern for it, we're going to just use a ruler and a pencil, or you can use a ruler and a rotary blade if you'd rather cut it like that. And we're just going to cut them out because basically they're just long strips. So I will make sure I show you how to do that on the pattern. So those are all those. The arm is not part of the apron. The arm will be part of your dress. Okay. If you enjoyed watching this, please like, share and leave a comment down below. Thanks ever so much for watching. Goodbye.